This iPhone 16 screen is damaged. We are going to install the one of the best aftermarket top of the line LCD. This is the XO S7 soft OLED LCD, which is the slim and a right crispiness and same kind of the refresher rate. The best thing is once you remove both the screws, I always use the isopropylene propylene rubbing alcohol 99%, which is always safe for the phone. I use the sharp blade insert. Make it softer with the alcohol, so the glue is going to be, the effect of the glue is going to be like minimize with that. Okay, once you are able to insert, use some more alcohol, use the very thin guitar pick, and then just like that. Again, shake it this area a little bit, make sure that the glue is softened, and here it is, it came out. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna remove these screws just like iPhone 15. I hate this the way this thing is made. If the screen is not off, then, and sometimes the screen goes into kind of like a sleep mode and it doesn't wake up, then you have to take out the back glass, undo the battery and put it back. That's just one of the thing which is additionally you have to do it if the screen won't power up or light up with the after just like replacing the screen. This is a bad design of this phone actually, and unfortunately we don't really have much option. Okay, so let me check it out and we'll move to the next step. Again, use some isopropylene alcohol just to make it softer. I'm going to heat up a little bit the screen, so at least make it a little bit, the glue will make it softer, and then I will be able to remove it easily. Okay, so this proximity sensor came out pretty easy. Just put it back. one screw. Let's see. If it doesn't show anything on the display, then we have to remove the back glass and do the battery, undo the battery, and then put it and put it back. That way, if there's any issue with the not powering up or not showing up on the screen, that will go away. Sometimes Apple design is easier, sometimes the design is like hard to finish the job. See, just a simple flex cable, it's giving so hard time to install. Okay, let's try to plug in the power. Yeah, we have to, like, it's a black screen still, so we have to undo the back glass. That's the only option we have right now with this. And then we will undo the battery and then put it back. Okay, so for this phone, this is a 16. Okay, and if you are not able to turn off the phone, or the screen is damaged, that you are, when you want to change the screen and the phone cannot be turned off, then you can change the screen, but unfortunately the screen will not show anything. And for that matter, you have to remove the back glass, undo the battery, and plug in the battery back, and then this phone is going to work. This is like iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 plus, and even 14 and 14 plus. I don't know why Apple still make this kind of mechanism on these phones. I like to do it the one which had under the screen, like 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, and all those ones. But this becomes a little bit more difficult, and it takes more time, because if you have to do the back glass, then this will take automatically at least another half an hour to 40 minutes to just do the remove the back glass very carefully, and undo the battery and and close the back glass again. So this is just a time-consuming job. Just we make sure that when you get 16 for repair, 15, 16 for repair, then just take extra time, because there's a chance and there's a possibility that you have to remove the back glass to undo the battery. Okay, so this is done. Okay, the screen was replaced and looks good. Okay, thank you so much for watching Future Gadgets. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can upload new videos and you can take the benefit of that. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.